thing looks really friggin' high. How high is it?
9 feet.
9 feet? Are you sure? Sure, only 9 feet. We're gonna do something. Just jump first. Don't think about it, man. Just do it. It was freaking scary. It was really scary. Water went on my nose. But I did that shit, man. Like, I find me finding myself more. Like being brave. Yo! More catch it, you know? More catch it! I got my bag put on, and yeah. Imani, you're in such a beautiful place. And guess what? The lipstick still holds up. Let's do an ad on that. Look at that.
The lipstick that I'm selling, guys, yes, for $800. They hold up through water.
Yep. Look where we are. Look where we are. And that lipstick's still popping, boy. Lipstick's still popping. Bad man, I don't think in my life I'd jump off of them. Yo, I'm not looking up now, see how they blow out. This has never put slipper, they put that slipper, come like a sorry, sweetheart. This is too new to people already wet, make me realize. Sorry about that. Just tell myself. I went up for your last moment, man. I said, blow, whoa. Let's do it today, see me? Yeah, I think that's yeah? Oh. Anyway, take him and go jumper. Eh?
When you come off of the fall.
So you can't swim?
So you covered when you come off of the fall?
No, because something that burned on my back. The rope. It a pull from my back.
You can't swim, you cannot.
Yeah. Please. Imani, please.
Nobody.
For the vlog.
I don't care. One thing I do want to try to do is try to swim.
Mommy, what is that? What is that? I'm doing another swim. It's a different one.
Easy, man. I water wait for you. Hold on, man. Give me a flip. Ready?
I can't flip. No, no,
alright, just give me something. 1, 2, 3, go on.
Yo, That one they feel better than the last one. Because he just pull you. No, in a good way. In a good way. Yeah. Look at that. You say, you give it a jump. You give it a jump. Mad. You want to go under? You want to go under the water? Don't be afraid, bro. I go slow motion this funny video, you know. I'm proud of you. Hold on. Mommy, when me tell you to let go, make sure you let go. Mommy, let me tell you, go with her, because she might not let go. Try again. You have to do it again, man. I never go over. So I think my battery is getting a little bit low. So, but before, as I said, I'm taking you under. We're gonna go under. Ready? Look at that face. Look at that face.
Feel the water, man.
Yeah, relax.
Man, you got far
Relax.
out and feel the water.
Imagine naturally your body can float. What if you didn't really need to keep yourself alive? Anyway guys, look at that lipstick. She's really scared, but it held up really well. Held up really well. I think she sells these.
$800 piece.
Huh?
$800 for one. My Instagram name is Imikins. IMMIKINZ. If you're in Jamaica, you're interested.
Mommy, how are we going? Why are you here again? I do it every day. I do it every day. So in time forward back. I come with a group. Good bunny them. I'll come back in a damn month, like mid-month. So as you guys can see, we're pretty much done. Well, I'm done already. Waiting on my mom's. We're just going to try to sort them out in terms of paying them. We're going to pay like $4,000 or close to $5,000 for the service. So that's not so bad because they took care of 3 of us. Showed us all the jumps, all the rides, and how to be safe. Like, don't cheap out. Don't come here and expect like, yo, I'm gonna walk the falls by myself, because you don't know like how deep certain parts are. You don't know what parts are very hazardous. So it's really important to actually get yourself a tour guide. And of course, if you go with more than one person, then it's gonna be a lot cheaper for you. So I'll go sort that out and then hit the road. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, cool. So we are cut out, you know. Well guys, unfortunately, I think this is it. We're pretty much at the end of our tour for today. Blue Hole was spectacular. I'm definitely coming back here. I won't tell you when, but I'll come back here with a completely different group of persons and you know, get a lot more different footage as well. But as always guys, I'd like to say to you just these 3 things. Remember guys, love, nature, and adaptation. Don't forget, keep the link, subscribe, like.